What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Windows 11 is available now, but it only supports device with TPM and secure boot. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 without TPM in your computer. First of all, start your Windows 11 installation. You can see here this PC does not meet the minimum requirement. From this screen, click the back button and here press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Type REGEDIT and press enter. The registry editor will now open. Now double click on HKey local machine and then double click on system and double click on setup. Now right click on setup and select new key. Name this key lab config. Now double click on lab config. In this blank screen, right click and select new dword 32-bit value. Rename this bypass TPM check. Now double click it and set the value data 1 and click OK. Again right click and select new dword 32-bit value and rename this bypass RAM check. Double click it and select value data 1 and click OK. Again right click and select new dword 32-bit value and rename this bypass secure boot check. Double click it and select value data 1. Now close this registry editor and close command prompt. Now select your Windows and click next. You can see here there is no error and you can now install your Windows as normal.